Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on a fantasy look makeover on my model Dishani.
Without wasting any time, let's see how I have created this look.
At first I am applying LA Girl primer. It is a silicone based primer. She has some open pores on her face. Silicone based primer is best for this. Next I am correcting her dark spots with the orange corrector, and for this I am using MAC concealer palette. Then using this yellow corrector, and it is from LA Girl. Now going to do the eye makeup. For that using a light shade concealer as an eyeshadow base. Shade name is Porcelain. This is Morphe blush palette, and I am taking this shade with a fluffy blending brush as a transition shade. Then taking this matte white shade from Morphe James Charles palette and applying on her inner corner. I have used multiple palettes for this look. Now blending with the blending brush without taking any eyeshadow. Next I am taking these two shades together and applying with a pencil brush to darken the crease area a little bit. Now taking this metallic white shade from iMagic 48 Colors eyeshadow palette and applying on her inner corner. I will make a separate video on this palette and will give my review. Next this shimmery peach shade and applying on outer part of her eyelid. This is a Makeup Revolution palette. I am creating this look for a photo shoot. I will post those photos on my FB page and on Instagram. I have given those links in description. Click on those links and follow me. Hope you will love those photos cause it is a completely unique photo shoot. For foundation, I am using Milani 2-in-1 foundation. For eyebrows, using a light brown shade and it's Morphe eyebrow pomade. Next taking this deep pink shade from iMagic 16 Colors eyeshadow palette and applying on eyebrows cause it is going to be a fantasy look. So this eyebrow color will enhance the look. You can see the difference. To make the eyebrows prominent and to highlight the face, using the same concealer in the shade Porcelain. taking this shade to contour the nose. Shade name is Almond. To set the face makeup, I have used RCMA translucent powder. Now taking this peach blush to contour the face, which I have used as a transition shade for eyeshadow. I just wanted to make some freckles on her face. Usually freckles should be made using brown color, but as I contour her face with a peach shade, I am using this peach lip cream and it's from NYX. Now mixing these two shades and applying here only on one side of her face, because I am going to draw some flowers on here. To draw those flowers, I am using white fabric color as I don't have any face paint. I didn't want to bore you, so not showing you the full drawing part. Directly jumping on the hairstyle part. I have already curled her hair. For this hairstyle, using this floral crown. The hairstyle is done. Next I am using these two shades which I have used for the eye makeup. Now highlighting the face with a pinkish highlighter which is from Makeup Revolution. And for lips using these two shades. After some time of making the freckles, I thought that the color is too light, So I have used Maybelline lipstick in the shade Self Starter for the freckles. This is going to be a Greek goddess look, so I am using this pigment on lips. It will definitely take the look to a higher level. You can find all products details which I have used here in description. Guys, if you like my work, if you enjoy my videos and if my videos helps you, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me a lot. I post new videos in every week. This is the look which I wanted to create. What do you say? Do you like this look? Tell me in the comments. Follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook page to see the photos of this photo shoot. Goodbye everyone. Take care. See you in next week.